welcome back to another video. I'm at the beach and I found a Cybertruck. I want to show you guys it right now. Ready? Stop, what is that? What is that? That's a Cybertruck. I'm so happy that I found it. I'm so happy, and I also found it at the beach. That's my dad and that's my brother. I can't believe I found it. I feel so lucky that I found it. And yeah, thank you for watching another video. Very happy. Bye-bye.